Hello, students. How are you all? And how was your exams and all? Moving from the textbook, let's study little from your supplementary book, Footprints Without Feet. In that book, the first chapter is called A Triumph of Surgery. Today we are going to study about this story, A Triumph of Surgery. It is written by James Harriet. James Harriet is a researcher, a veterinary doctor, and who is a story writer. This is the story about a dog and who is overfed by his mistress. And James Harriet is a veterinary doctor who is coming to taking care of the dog. So main characters of the story are Tricky, Mrs. Flummery, Mr. James Harriet. Tricky is the main dog and Mrs. Flummery is the mistress of the dog. And Mr. James Harriet is the veterinary doctor who is going to take care of our Tricky. You have to, before reading the chapter, you have to know about the unknown words. First word is rumby, a watery discharge from nose or eyes. Hastened, to say or do the things hurriedly. Malt, sprouted grain. Relent, to soften. Lumbago, muscular pain in the lower part of the back. Tottering, to walk unsteadily. Distraught, deeply worried. Bouts, a period of something usually painful or unpleasant. Soon, to become unconscious. Whimper, to cry, sob softly. Scrimmages, rough. Convalescency, recovering from an illness. Lithe, flexible moving or bending easily. These are the main difficult words in this chapter. So before moving towards the chapter, you have to study the meaning of these difficult words and you have to know the spelling of these unknown words. So just let's move to the chapter. It is the story of Tricky and his mistress. Tricky was a small dog and was overpampered and loved by his mistress, Mrs. Flummery. The story begins when Dr. Harriet, while passing in his car, was shocked to see Tricky, who had become hugely fat, like a bolted sausage. Bolted sausage means an eating thing. We can call as a bun and a sandwich. We can call it as a sausage bun. And the dog was just like a bolted sausage. He was just like a bun. His eyes bloodshot with Rumpy stared straight ahead and his tongue lolled from his jaws. The dog was very weak. Dr. Harris suggested for Tricky's balanced diet and cut down sweet things. Mrs. Flummery, who was a wealthy woman, thought that he had become lazy because he was not giving enough food to Tricky. So she ignored doctor's advice and started giving him some little extras between meals like malt, cold liver oil, and a bowl of Horlicks at night to improve his health. She gave him a lot of things to eat, but no exercise. Tricky was also so lazy and greedy that he was ready to eat anything but no exercise. Although Dr. Harriet had already suggested for Tricky's balanced diet, yet Mrs. Flummery never cared about his suggestions and continued overfeeding him without any exercise. Dr. James Harriet knew that very soon he would get a call from Mrs. Flummery regarding Tricky's health issues. Very soon he became ill and Dr. Harriet was called. Mrs. Flummery told that Tricky was eating nothing, refusing even his favorite dishes, and besides, he had bouts of vomiting. This doctor came and after a quick observation told her that Tricky needed immediate hospitalization for keeping under observation at his surgery for a fortnight. The lady became sad, but doctor didn't change his mind and finally he took him to his hospital. There were many dogs in the surgery. Surgery here means hospital. When Tricky came, he was motionless and uninteresting object for other dogs. He was not making friendly with the other dogs, and other dogs were just ignoring Tricky. Now he started his treatment, but he did not give him any food or medicine for 2 days. He gave him plenty of water. Actually, that was the best medicine for Tricky, not giving any kinds of food. Before that, Plumfurry made him to eat a lot of food and made him this kind of a sick patient. After 2 days, he allowed to come out. He followed other dogs with his surplus fat. Initially, he was surplus fat means over obesity, over fat. Initially, he was giving a little food and more exercise. Soon, he started showing rapid improvement in his health. He discovered the joy of being bowled over, tramped on, and squashed every few minutes. Gradually, he mixed with other dogs to his hospital and started playing with them. He had a lot of exercise and fun at the surgery. While in the background, there were dozens of Mrs. Plumfurry's calls. Soon, she started sending dozens of eggs, bottles of wine, brandy, which was eaten and enjoyed by Dr. Harriet and his partners. Meanwhile, our mistress was sending a lot of food for food like dozens of eggs, bottled wine, and brandy for our Tricky. But these things are eaten by our Dr. Harriet. Tricky Tricky staying in the surgery was a kind of ceremonial occasion as everyone was enjoying the food provided by Mrs. Plumfurry. Actually, these people loved the presence of Tricky because Plumfurry to send a lot of food for them, and these foods were eaten by this doctor and their partners. Therefore, it was a temptation to keep Tricky on as permanent guest. But the doctor knew the pain of Mrs. Plumfurry and called her to take the dog back. In 2 weeks, he was completely recovered and transformed into a hard muscle dog. Dr. Harriet treated dog without medicine or surgery. When Mrs. Plumfurry came to take Tricky back, she became so happy to see Tricky healthy and filled with gratitude. She thanked Dr. Harriet and said it was a triumph of surgery. This is the story about our Tricky. This is the story, a triumph of surgery. So read the chapters very clearly, and if you have any kinds of doubt, you can ask. And please complete these questions. If you have any doubt related to these questions, you can call me, and we will have a video conference. Thank you.